Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Learner Club, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily, your English coach for today.
Hello, Emily, and hello to all our amazing learners around the world. It is wonderful to be here with you again.
We're so happy you're here.
Let's learn English together, step by step in a simple and fun way.
Paul, guess what? Today, you're going to order coffee in perfect English.
Perfect English? Oh no. What if I accidentally order 20 cups?
Don't worry, I'll save you before that happens. Today, we're learning how to order coffee at a cafe in simple English.
Great. I love coffee, but ordering still scares me a little.
No problem. We'll practice everything step by step.
Even the small things?
Yes, from greeting the barista to picking your drink to paying.
Finally, I won't panic the next time I go to a coffee shop.
Good. Let's start with something very simple. How to greet. When you enter a coffee shop, the first thing you say is, "Hi, how are you?" or "Good morning."
Simple enough.
The barista might say, "Hi, what can I get for you today?"
And then I panic.
No panic today. We'll practice calmly.
Okay, so after the greeting, do I say what I want right away?
Yes, just speak slowly and clearly. Here are the most common drinks: Americano, latte, cappuccino, mocha, espresso, cold brew, iced coffee.
There are so many. How do I choose?
Just pick something you like. I'll teach you the structure. Say, "I'd like a dash, please." Or, "Can I have a blank space?"
That seems easy.
Let's practice. "I'd like a latte, please."
I'd like an Americano, please.
Good. Now try with, "Can I have..."
Can I have a cappuccino?
Perfect.
But coffee shops always ask about size.
Yes, 3 common sizes are.
Small, medium, large.
Some shops use fancy words like tall, grande, or venti, but simple is okay. So the full sentence becomes, "I'd like a medium latte, please."
Can I have a small cappuccino?
Excellent. Next question the barista may ask, "Hot or iced?"
Oh, yes, that always confuses me.
Just answer, "Hot, please," or "Iced, please."
Easy.
Try it.
I'd like a medium latte. Iced, please.
Great. Some shops ask about milk, common milk types. Regular milk, low-fat milk, almond milk, soy milk, oat milk.
So many milks.
You can say, "With oat milk, please," or "With regular milk."
Can I have a small cappuccino with almond milk?
Perfect order. Baristas may ask, "Any sugar? Do you want it sweetened?"
What should I say?
You can answer, "No sugar, thank you." "1 sugar, please. Can you make it sweet?"
1 sugar, please.
Excellent. Sometimes the barista asks extra questions. "For here or to go?"
That one confuses me too.
For here means you drink it inside. To go means takeaway.
Got it.
And if they ask, "Do you want anything else?" You can say, "No, that's all, thank you." Finally, the barista will tell you the price. You say, "Here you go. Can I pay by card? Cash, please."
Simple enough.
Yes. Now let's practice a full ordering conversation. Listen to this.
Hi, what can I get for you?
Hi, I'd like a medium iced latte with oat milk, please.
Any sugar?
No sugar, thank you.
For here or to go?
To go, please.
That will be $5.
Can I pay by card?
Barista, yes.
Wow, that actually felt easy.
Repeat after me. "I'd like a latte, please."
I'd like a latte, please.
"Can I have a cappuccino?"
Can I have a cappuccino?
Small, medium, or large?
Small, medium, or large?
Hot or iced?
Hot or iced?
For here or to go?
For here or to go?
No sugar, thank you.
No sugar, thank you.
Can I pay by card?
Can I pay by card?
Great job! Let me tell you a small story. Last year, I visited a new coffee shop in a different country. I didn't understand the menu, I didn't know the milk types, and the barista spoke very fast. I felt nervous and embarrassed, but I simply smiled and said, "Sorry, English please." The barista slowed down and helped me choose a drink. That moment taught me something important. People are kind when you try, and your English gets better every time you use it. So don't be afraid, just speak. Even small sentences help you grow.
That's a beautiful story, Emily.
Thank you. And now you will never fear a coffee shop again.
Now here's a short paragraph you can use in real life. Today I went to a coffee shop. I ordered a medium iced latte with oat milk. I asked for no sugar and said I wanted it to go. The barista was friendly and helped me with my order. It was easy to speak English, and I felt more confident.
That's perfect.
Yes, you can copy this or change it for your own life.
If you want to sound even more natural, try these. Can you make it extra hot? Can I get an extra shot of espresso? Do you have any pastries today? Can you recommend something sweet? I'm allergic to dairy.
These will make me sound like a professional coffee lover.
Exactly. Okay, Paul, you are the customer. I'll be the barista. Ready?
Ready?
Hi, what can I get for you today?
Hi, I'd like a large hot cappuccino with regular milk, please.
Any sugar?
Yes, 1 sugar, please.
For here or to go?
For here.
Perfect. That will be $4.
Here you go.
Thank you. See, you did it.
That felt amazing.
You did a great job today. Now you can order coffee anywhere in the world.
And I won't panic anymore.
Remember, your English grows when you use it.
And when you drink coffee, too.
Ha 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 ha. Maybe. Thanks for watching.
And don't forget to follow for more English practice.
See you next time.